Ating pag-usapan ngayon kung paano po ba ang process on how to find the sum, the difference, the product, and quotient of functions. So let f and g be any two functions. Paano tayo mag-add ng function? Let's have some given. F of x, or the function of x is equals to x minus 1 and g of x is equals to 2x squared plus x minus 3. We're going to find f plus g of x, or pwede po natin ito isulat by the definition of sum of functions which is equals to f of x plus g of x. Ang ibig lang sabihin nun, kung ano man ang magiging value ng f of x, yun po ang ipapalit natin dito. Ganun din po sa kabila, kung ano yung value ng g of x, yun po ang ipapalit natin dito. Pagkatapos po nun, we substitute now. So we have to add f of x plus g of x. Add lang natin silang dalawa. And that's equals to x minus 1 plus 2x squared plus x minus 3. Pagkatapos nun, simplify, remove symbols. Since plus pang operation, lahat sila ibababa na lang po natin. Regardless kung anong meron sign tayo. So drop down natin sila lahat. Then simplify tayo, combined like terms. Unahin po natin yung may pinakamataas na exponent that is equals to the 2x squared. Then, pag-combine natin yung dalawang x, tatandaan, pag nagko-combine tayo, we add the number, kung same sign, so this will become 1 plus 1, that's equals to 2x. Kaya po, 2x dito. Then, pagsamahin natin yung negative 1 and negative 3. Plus lang natin silang dalawa, that's equals to 4. Then, kopyahin natin yung sign ng malaking number. So, that's negative 4. Our final answer is equals to 2x squared plus 2x minus 4. Paano kung mag-subtract tayo ng function? Parehas lamang po ang process. Kung ano yung value ng f of x, yun din po ang ipapalit natin. At kung ano yung value ng g of x, ganun din po ang gagawin natin. So, substitute na kagad natin sila. So, f of x is equals to x minus 1. And g of x natin is equals to 2x squared plus x plus or minus 3. Pagkatapos nun, we have to subtract our functions, perform now the operation. So, remove symbols. Pag remove ng symbols, kailangan consider natin yung sign. Pero yung dalawa dito, baba na kagad natin. Then, tingnan natin yung sign, nakalagay sila sa parentheses, kabilaan, ang ating operation is minus. Kung ano yung opposite ng sign nito, baba lang natin. So, that is positive, magiging negative. So, naging negative. This is positive, kaya naging negative. This is negative, kaya naging positive. So, ganun lamang po magbaba ng sign pag nasa loob ng parentheses. Pagkatapos nun, combine like terms. Unahin natin yung may highest exponent, that is equals to negative 2x squared. Then, yung x, pagsamahin, we have negative and positive and negative. Since same lang sila, cancelled out natin kasi parehas lang naman po sila, yun nga lang magkaiba ng sign. And then, pagkatapos nun, combined natin yung whole number na negative 1 and positive 3. Pag magkaiba yung sign, combine tayo, subtract ang operation, kukopyahin natin yung sign ng malaking number. Kaya ang kanyang magiging sagot is positive 2. That's 3 minus 2. The sign of the bigger number is positive. This is your final answer. How about kung i-multiply natin silang dalawa? So, same problem tayo. Our function of x is equals to x minus 1, and our g of x is equals to 2x squared plus x minus 3. We're going to find for the product of these two functions. That's equals to f of g is equals to g of x multiplied by f of x multiplied by g of x. So, same lamang po. Substitute lang natin yung value ng f of x at gayon din po ang g of x. Then, next natin is to apply the distributive property. Ibig sabihin nun, after na mailagay po natin sila, magmamultiply tayo sa pamamagitan ng distributive property. Paano po yon? Gawin po natin. So, let's find out. Una, we have to multiply x times 2x squared. Ang sagot naman is 2x cubed. We add the exponent. Meron ditong dalawa, meron ditong isa. pag pinagsama, kaya 3 na po sila. Then multiply natin ito. X times x is x squared. Then multiply natin x times negative 3. That's equals to negative 3x. Next, sa next term naman tayo, multiply natin yung negative 1 sa 2x squared. Kaya ang sagot nun is negative 2x squared. Multiply natin yung negative 1 kay x. Ang sagot nun is negative x. Multiply natin si negative 1 kay 3. Negative 3. Ang sagot is positive. Then, kung meron pong like terms, pagsamahin po natin sila. Pero kung wala na, ito na ang ating maging final answer. Try natin. Unahin natin syempre yung may mataas na exponent. Kaya, nauna si 2x cubed. Then, yung meron pong squared. So, silang dalawa magkasama. Kaso, negative yung 2, positive yung x. Ibig sabihin nun may 1. Negative 2 minus 1, that's equals to negative x squared na lang. 1x squared. Then, yung may x naman. So, pababa tayo ha. 3, 2. Itong dalawa naman, magka-partner. So, sila, magkapareha sila ng sign. Ang ibig sabihin nun, we add these two constant, 3 plus 1, that's equals to negative 4. Then, kopyahin natin yung x. Then, yung whole number, wala naman pong kapartner yata. Wala. Just bring down. This is your final answer. Natapos na po tayo kanina mag-multiply. At this time, try natin mag-divide. Pero same problem pa rin tayo. So, we have to find the quotient of f over g of x. Ay pwede rin po natin ma-rewrite in the form of definition of functions, which is equals to f of x over g of x. Pero dito, dapat yung domain ng f of x, of course, is the set of all real numbers except na dapat bawal maging 0 yung atin pong value ng g of x once na substitute na po natin at nakuha na po natin yung final answer. So, same process tayo. Palit lamang po si f of x, which is equals to x minus 1. Palit si g of x, which is equals to 2x squared plus x minus 3. So, let's go. Ayan na, pinalit na po natin sila. Kaya po ang lumabas is our numerator. Galing po ito dito kay f of x na nanggaling dito. Ang atin pong denominator, galing po kay g of x na nagmula dito. After na makuha natin ang kanilang given expressions, tingnan muna natin yung ating pong expressions kung may factorable or wala. Pero sa palagay ko, yung nasa baba is factorable. Again, ang purpose natin pag nagpa-factor tayo is to lessen or mapaliit yung ating pong expressions. Pero kung wala na pong pwedeng factor, ibig sabihin nun, ito na po yung ating final answer. Let's find out. Since may factor po ang ating denominator, so kina-prove out po natin ito. Ang kanyang factor is x minus 1 at saka 2x plus 3. Paano ginawang factor? So, simple lang. Para ma-check, we just multiply x times 2x, that's equals to 2x squared. Then, multiply natin yung x times 3x, that's equals to 3x. Then, multiply natin yung atin pong 1 times negative 1 times 2, that's equals to negative 2x. Then, negative po yung ating 2. Then, multiply natin yung negative 1 times 3, that's equals to negative 3. So, since ang lumabas dito sa value natin sa gitna is positive x, subtract natin 3 minus 2, that's equals to 1x. Or simply, x. Therefore, ito yung x na to, ito po yung nasa gitna. Ganun po mag-factor. So, let's now proceed. Tingnan natin kung may common silang dalawa. Cancelled out. Kaya ang ating magiging final answer ay 1 over 2x plus 3.